Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate Car Audio YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're bringing you an incredible demo featuring a powerful setup with 4 Sundown Audio XV3 15s, all driven by a powerful solid 8,000 watts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go!
You gotta feel that heat.
She's been telling me all night long. Yes, she needs groceries. The list goes on and on. It's 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. Stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Dale's got history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't changing for a shit. Tell my mom I ain't forget. Oh no, I'm gonna truck it to the end. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend. Oh Lord, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need 30 more. So stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. It comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and it kick.
Hang on, I'll find you something.
Alright, so real quick, what we got this going on? What all do you have in here, man?
I got 4 Sundown XV3s on a Salt 8K. I've got the 6.5 hexacones. They're all on JP amps.
Really? What amps do you have in here?
I can't remember the numbers, to tell you the truth.
There's so many of them. Oh, what type of lithium do you have?
I got SPIM 96 amp hour lithium in the back.
Awesome.
It's on a Brand X 300 amp alt. And I'm charging right at 15.2.
Oh, that's dope, man. I love it, man. How long take you to build this build?
About 3 months.
Just getting started, everything I leave.
Get you something for a little shock and awe here.
Oh, see, yeah, I want it all. Some highs, been doing some lows, and doing everything.
This does pretty good.
Awesome.
Need the bass knob here. This is the first show I've been to with this build. So,
Really?
yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I got 2 cups full. I'm drunk, can't stop it. About to lose my soul tonight at the party. Might be too fucked up to get no more. I think I'm too fucked up to get no more. Yeah.
off of them a little bit.
Dude, that sounds good as hell. What where you tuned to on your port back there?
So the back port's tuned to 29. This should be somewhere around 55.
29 to 55. That's a big old bandwidth.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds good. You got something else for
Trying to stay a
me?
little bit musical.
Yeah, gotta get another song.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to hear that again. I don't know what it is about Sundown Subs. They just sound so nice.
Think a little
Oh,
bit.
music, I love it, man.
We'll get one, not everybody's got.
Okay. What else new do you want to do to it? Anything, new plans? Or
I just got a lot of tuning to do.
just a lot more tuning? Oh, you good.
Place to place, adding weight. Some repeat. Benefit from a shoe with no lace. With the crease. I don't mind if it's slow. If it's fair. Control. Slide to where I've started from. There's no chance I will shake this again. 'Cause I feel the cool. It's over my head.
On $100
Not too bad.
I'm loving it, man. Awesome,
I'll
awesome.
show you the other amps if you want to see them.
I got you. Yeah, man. Oh. Off that one battery?
Yes.
That's crazy. Oh man, yeah, you did such a nice job. So nice. I love it. Where can you find you on social media?
NJ Bray is my TikTok.
I love it, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that